Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today let me introduce you the Pass Air 4G LTE Smart Battery Powered Camera System 2K. It's 180 degrees 4G LTE security camera for outdoor use. Oh, it works with a SIM card. Wireless security camera for outdoor and indoor with PIR motion detection, color night vision, two-way audio, GSM, and 9000 mAh battery. And it's IP66 waterproof, so you can use it outdoor, no problem for it. The 2K solar camera for home monitoring by Pass Air comes with a SIM card, or you use your own SIM card. It's a nano SIM, like in your smartphone. An IP66 waterproof level, 180 degrees panoramic view, 2K HD. If you like it, you can buy separately a solar panel to reload the battery, which is built in, or you make a wire connection by an USB-C cable, or you use the battery and get it to a recharge after 1 month for approximately. We have PIR detection. We have color night vision with two-way audio. So you see, that's cool. Long-term energy. With the powerful 9000 mAh battery of that 4G camera, we are protected around the clock. Long runtime for uninterrupted surveillance, even in remote places. We have a U-Box app compatibility. That means if we download the U-Box app, we can see how much battery left. The battery charge level is 20%, for example. If it's not charging immediately, the camera will automatically turn off. This is a safety thing behind that 2K Pass Air security camera system. We have nano SIM card. We have cloud storage, 30 days trial, memory card up to 128 gigabyte. It's not included. SIM card. A SIM card is installed with 300 megabyte test data. We can buy it 30 days for 12.9, 180 days for 60, or 360 for 100, and 720 for 180 euro. The SIM card cannot be used for mobile phones, okay? Its a proper use will result in the SIM card being blocked. This 4G camera does not support Wi-Fi and 5G network connection. So you have here a really independent system, which over the broadcast SIM card, smartphone like network works. That means on the other side, it works all around the planet. We have a minimal blind spots with a 180 degrees pan camera provides seamlessly wide coverage and eliminate the blind spots, of course. It's always fix the device at the base when setting it up on a flat surface, and then we can let it rotate. Really cool. You see the setup process really easy. We download the app, we pair them, we install a SIM card, of course. Then if there is a blue LED, you can pair it with the app, and then you're in. Easy peasy. Outdoor, with or without electricity supply, you can choose it. Solar version, 365 days battery life, of course, or socket within the reach, maybe. Charging version, 1 up to 3 months battery life. Then you have to recharge it, or direct recharging. We have a removable base for easy installation. With the removable base, the camera can be placed both indoor and, of course, outdoor, as you can see. And it's easy. It's really easy. You connect this to your wall, for example. Get this in position, just that. Really cool. And U-Box gives us a notification. Maybe there is an activation or something else. We get an information about that. Of course, we can remote use our camera system with that app, U-Box 2. The memory card can go up to 128 gigabytes, which is not included. So if you are like to save videos or pictures on it, no problem. Or if we use the cloud services, then we can save our footage on that. Path Air, clear view, safe moments. The Pace Air was born of the passion for safety and technology. Each Path Air camera undergoes strict quality controls to ensure clear images and reliable performance, even in demanding environments. From home to business, day and night, Path Air is always at our side. They are more than a brand. They are a company we can trust, security partner. With Path Air, we choose peace and trust. And of course, a good system with a lithium polymer battery and an item weight of 460 grams. It is a nice camera system which makes good pictures, which make good videos, and which makes good the security system, of course. This is the Path Air 180 degrees 4G LTE security camera for outdoor and indoor use, battery operated with SIM card. You can use your own SIM card or you use the SIM card which is included. Wireless security camera for outdoor and indoor with PIR motion detection. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.